Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to make sounds in R.E.P.O. So to be able to make sounds in R.E.P.O, then what you're going to do firstly is to click on escape to be able to get your menu right here. Then we're just going to click on settings right here, then click on audio as you can see, and then scroll down in here. So make sure that your microphone volume is actually not zero at least. You can have it, for example, I have it to 100%, but it doesn't have to be that loud, just so you know. And then microphone, let's make sure that your microphone is actually connected in here. As you can see, you can scroll in here and see which microphone you actually have, but I have this one right here. So make sure that your microphone is actually connected. That is very important. The other thing is going to be for you to check if your push to talk is actually on right here. As you can see, if you have it off, just set it to on, because otherwise it's not going to work. Then what you're going to do is to click on controls in here, scroll down in here, and as you can see, push to talk, I have it set to actually mouse left right here, but you can just click on any random button in here and you will be able to actually have it as a control in here. So now when you click on F, as an example, if I click on F now and I actually talk, then I will be able to actually make sounds in R.E.P.O, and that is basically exactly how to do this.